All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model, this beautiful gray or charcoal gray with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, fog lights, roof racks, alloy wheels. 36,000 miles on this vehicle. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good, your hood looks good, your front fender looks good, your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is just under 7/32. This door looks good, this rear door looks good, this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is just under 7/32. All right, got some minimum scuffing here, very, very light. And some more here, like a light scratch. I'll say it's about 3 inches. All right, it's a nice shot at your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. You get your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You get your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Does come with the 2 key fob combos. No owner's manuals, or none that I can find yet. All right. Turn it on for you guys. Do have your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls and rear AC controls there as well. All right. Let's see. That's about it. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues in your miles of 36,246. It says it needs some gas, but of course, I'll put that on. Keeping it moving. Does have some little power buttons here. Opens things up. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Does have rear AC controls and rear AC vents. Little power button here, closes this door. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks your rear trunk space looks good. Does have a little power button here. Of course, those seats do fold forward. Check out pictures for more details. Your deck lid looks good. There's a dent. Does it have a dent? Yeah, it's got a little dent here, no paint off, about 3 to 4 inches. Hard to see. I just caught it now. It's supposedly right there. Alright. This quarter here looks pretty good. Does have a dent here, about 3 to 4 inches right there. These are rear passenger steel wheel. Rear passenger rim. No, with your tire thread is under 7/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. This door looks good. And here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread is under 7/32. Got some scuffing here on this bumper, about 5 inches. Some more over there. We'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Fog lights are working. Car is running. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 36,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.